Check this out. It's a reusable pizza storage container designed to keep your pizza slices fresh, organized, and ready to enjoy. First, the shape. It's triangular, perfectly sized to fit standard pizza slices without squishing your toppings. No more cramming slices into awkward containers or dealing with floppy foil. Inside, you get 5 individual microwavable serving trays. Each tray separates your slices so they're not stacked and getting soggy. Just grab a tray and pop it straight into the microwave for a quick reheat. Super convenient for busy days or late night cravings. I love that this pizza pack is BPA-free, food safe, and reusable. It's an eco-friendly alternative to disposable bags or plastic wrap. Plus, the container's height is adjustable, so whether you've got one slice left or an entire half a pizza, it fits neatly in the fridge without wasting space. The white color keeps it looking clean and modern in any kitchen. And when you're done, it collapses down for easy storage. A huge win if you're tight on cabinet space. So if you're tired of soggy, messy pizza leftovers and want to keep your slices fresh, organized, and microwave ready, the perfect pizza pack TM definitely lives up to its name.